I guess you could try, but I think he's gonna get stuck.
Ugh. Go down. He's going into the glass. Wait, can I get out?
You can get off.
How do we? I have to turn him around.
Okay.
I'm gonna brush him.
Okay, brush him. That horse is cute, isn't it?
Adrian can feed him a carrot and an apple.
Oh. In case he's hungry.
Yeah. There's a plane!
A plane!
It's inside.
What's in there, Bird?
Carrot and apple.
Carrot and an apple.
And I'm gonna feed him a carrot.
Okay.
I think he's gonna burp.
Huh?
He burps.
He burped.
He can burp. He's eating it. He won't eat it. Let's try the apple. Maybe he wants the apple. I can eat it. Okay, run.
Oh, he likes the apple. I heard him chomp it.
He's dancing. I think I'm gonna give him a carrot.
Does he dance when you give him a carrot too?
He can dance if you dance in front of him.
Really?
Oh, he's backing up. He's eating.
Ooh, he likes the carrot. Excuse you, horsey.
He's looking.
He likes it.
What's he gonna do? Wait, how did he? He's supposed to dance if I dance in front of him.
Oh my.
He likes it.
You guys and your dance moves.
I wanna put Wait, how do you get him to reverse?
You press that one. What do you mean, how do you break it?
Does this allow you to break it?
You stop pressing the button and then it should stop.
It's stopping, but it's still going!
Well, we have a downhill. That's probably the issue. Could put it in reverse.
Reverse?
Reverse, reverse.
I got him some food!
Introduce the two animals.
This is Spirit. This is the unicorn.
The unicorn. That should get the horn off of.
Son, do you want to see your best friend?
Want to see your best friend in the whole wide world?
Son, come here. Come here. It will stop. We're gonna get him all dirty, and then we're gonna get it in parts that want to go. Let him go.
Spirit needs a bath.
Where are you?
Tell him, excuse you.
You did a burp.
I heard him.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Mrs.
Did you just salute?
There's a guy.
There was a guy. Him.
Here, sir.
Birdie, why is your dress in there? Let's see what this Isabel's doing. What are you doing? Scooter? Let me see it. Do it. Almost to the door. Let's not put him in the grass. He has trouble. What are you doing over here, Bird? My grass. Whoa, round that corner. Choo! This is why she's so mad about the turn radius.
Skate around on that.
Choo! I don't think that horse could make that bend. 90-degree turn? I don't think so. I might need to get you a new wheel for that. No. There's barely a wheel left of him.
He burned! He burned. I heard him.
Did you?
You.
Excuse you! Excuse you! Now we're sitting.